Hello everyone, we are back. Let's try to create this transition. At first, let's look at this and see if you like it. Let's see the tutorial, and if you don't, you can go to channel and find more video like this. Okay, you see it has a great thing that this shadow thing gave us, and I love it. Let's create this. At first, we need to add a new slide, blank slide, and here we copy the picture, and after copying the picture we format the background and paste our picture here. From here we go to format background and clipboard paste our picture. You can see the picture is in the background, our picture. Now we just go to picture corrections and make the sharpness -100 and make it a little lower, the brightness a little. 70% is good. Now we set the picture here and copy the text and paste it here. The text has nothing special. And then we need to create this effect that we have here. How to create this? We copy this slide. After copying, we need this text. I'm going to copy the text, paste it here. The text is important, but more important than that is that we are going to crop this picture to the middle. You see, the effect is appeared, but we need to change the color of it to the white. You see, we need to change this color of the S to the black. And then don't forget, you can always make this picture more brighter to create a great contrast. You see, it's looking amazing. The contrast you are creating is making everything look better. And you can also make the background a little more darker for the contrast. Okay, everything is ready. Now we just need to copy this thing and paste it here, but out of the text. Now set the transition to morph and let the magic happen. You see, it's pretty amazing. It looks very good and I love it. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe, and you will find more video like this in the channel. And if you have any question, ask me. I will answer you in the comments. Have a nice night.